Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 57 Chevy Bel Air and this is by Hotwheels. So let's unbox it and see how it looks. Okay, here it is. Okay, the wheels are made of plastic. The rims looks really nice. Hope you guys can see it clearly now. Okay, the paint job is really amazing on this one. It's flawless. The golden color looks really beautiful in this one. So I hope you guys can able to see the interior here, at least a little bit. So let me just try to show you guys. Okay, here's the front view, and again the headlamps are it doesn't have any fiber or anything like that. It's just gold painted. This matte finish looks really amazing. See, this looks really beautiful, especially on the top view. This looks really beautiful. I personally love this one. Okay guys, so that's it for today. So if you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. Thank you guys, thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.